Morning opens like a pearl, quiet light across the floor. No alarms inside my chest, only space and something more. Those breathing gentler, curtain dancing slow and free. Every step a flowing line, drawing who I choose to be. No weight on the shoulders, no noise in my mind. Only dreams to follow, everything is left behind. Silver breeze carry me, soft and bright, water free, moving like I'm made of sky. Silver breeze, I believe all I am is all I need. Glad you were my heart agrees, living on a silver breeze. For brains fading into light, best dissolves like morning dew. Every breath a quiet spark, everything begins anew. Clouds drift low, sunlight resting on my skin. Just a calm, I'm walking in. Light, only light, only light. Breast and horizon, the world opens its arms for me wide. Silver breeze, stay with me, shine through every memory, wireless as a silver sea. This is where I'm meant to be. Silver breeze endlessly, home inside my clarity. There's stable quality, living on a silver breeze. Just a sky, just the air. Silver breeze.